Hello and welcome students. Welcome to GRS Technical. Today in this video we are going to start a new chapter of English Vistas class 12th, which is Ivan tries an O level. This chapter is very much important for your pre-boards examination as well in your boards examination. So please watch this video till last, and if you do like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it to your friends. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So students, firstly I'm going to introduce you with this chapter and make you familiar with this chapter, and afterwards I'm going to teach you this chapter. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So it begins with here. Ivan tries an O-level summary is going to assist students in understanding this chapter in an easy manner. The story is about Ivan. The story is about whom? The story is about Ivan, who was also called the Break. He got this name because he was quite good at breaking out of prison. However, as Ivan was now brought to Oxford prison, it was difficult to pull off such stunts. Oxford prison has very strict officer and assistants. Thus, this time, Ivan decided to take a long way off to escape this prison. In the story, we learn about his attempt to break through using a very clever plan. He even includes his friends and befriends other people on the way to accomplish his mission. Basically, he uses an O-level exam to try and break out, which is why this exam carries importance. Further, we learn about the wit of the criminal and how it helps him escape. Okay. So students, I do hope introduction was already clear to you. Now, I'm going to teach you this chapter, Ivan tries an O-level summary. Using this summary, I'm going to explain you this chapter. Now, this story begins with a criminal named Ivan. As I have already taught you in the introduction that this is a story about Ivan, who is a criminal. Ivan is already famous for breaking things from many prison. Thus, he is now at Oxford prison. Where is Ivan now? So, Ivan is in Oxford prison right now. We see that the Secretary of Examination Boards get a call from HM Prison's governor. He learns that Ivan has begun with night classes in O-level German. Thus, he wishes to get an academic qualification so that all make the necessary arrangement for this same. On inquiry, they learn Ivan has no record of violence. Instead, he is rather amusing. Finally, they decided to host the exam in Ivan's room and send for an invigilator from St. Mary's Maggs. The governor is very vigilant throughout as he knows what Ivan is capable of pulling off. Thus, the authorities do their best to help Ivan excel the examination. They hire a German tutor for him. He teaches Ivan for 6 months, and Ivan even befriends him during that time. The tutor wishes him luck but feels that he does not stand a chance to clear the examination. However, Ivan tells him that he may surprise everybody. Thus, the day of the examination arrives and his cell is being inspected now. The officer takes away anything that he may use to injure himself. They try to take the hat away, but Ivan insists, saying it his lucky charm. Moreover, they also bugged Ivan's cells for the governor to listen throughout everything. They search invigilator, and then he reaches his cell to carry out the examination. An officer kept peeping in the cell to make sure everything was all right. The exam executes without any trouble, and Stefan escorts the invigilator out to main gate. In Ivan's cells, they find out the invigilator is lying injured. They went in search of Ivan but find out that he has escaped prison. Moreover, when they do not find the invigilator in the hospital, they go to visit his residence. They reach there to find out that it was a fraud. Finally, the governor put together the missing pieces of the puzzle. He learns that the invigilator was Ivan's friend and he swapped places with him and fooled everyone. They immediately go to the hotel where Ivan was staying and captured him. The governor became happy thinking his game is over and sent him to the prison van. However, Ivan manages to pull off one last stunt as the prison officer and prison van were also part of his plan. Finally, he became a free man. So student, I do hope you have already understand what the story was, and I hope you all like this video. Now, the what is the conclusion of Ivan Tigers at O level? This is very important thing, and it is always coming in your board examination of 5 marks. So you must always revise what is the conclusion of Ivan Tigers at O level. Summary is the must, and conclusion is also very important in your board examination. Now, what we learn from the Ivan Tigers at O level? We learned to sum up Ivan's tries and O level summary. We learn about an interesting clash between criminal and law enforcement and how a person wit can take him very far. Okay, so if you want to write, you want to note, you can by pausing this video, because this is very much important for your board examination. So student, I do hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it to your friends. And also, if you want help in the grammar portion or writing section, because writing section is very must. If you need help in the writing section, videos for writing section are already uploaded, like letter writing, letter to the editor, notice writing, report writing, biodata, everything is already uploaded for you all. So please watch those videos. If you want the link for those videos, I can provide you in my description box, from where you can check those videos out. You can watch those videos. So students, thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.